right here is where the screen would come out if there was one there. But my dog had a field day and there's not one there. So that's what I'm going to fix. So, the tools I believe I'm going to need. This is like, I guess, a little nugget piece that I put on a ratchet to try to make it work. Hopefully it works. I got some pliers. I don't know what I'm gonna need them for, but just in case. I got a screwdriver. Y'all, I don't know. I got scissors. And then I bought this from Home Depot a while back. But, yeah. Hopefully, I can get this thing working today. The first thing I need to do is unscrew these. And that's what this is for. So, let's see. Oh, yeah. I don't know. Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. It don't look like it's gonna do nothing for me. Yay, y'all. I got them loose. Woohoo. Look at me. Met at me. Okay, so now let's pull the lid off. And I'm recording just in case some crazy stuff pop out. Now that I was able to get this piece off using my little homemade tool, got it off. Now I'm going to go in and I guess try to put this screen in there. And I wish I could show y'all, but I don't have a way to mount my phone and do stuff at the same time. Let me try to figure it out. Okay, so now I'm guessing I need to try to pop this piece out without breaking my fingernails. I'm gonna try to do it with this screwdriver. Oh. There's a piece in here. This needs to come out. This little inside piece. I'm not trying to hurt me. You know what I mean? I got too much stuff to be doing. Put that over. And pop this off. Wait. I almost got it. Yay! Look at that. No nails worth harmed in this. So I went through here and pulled the string off from under here. And I'm thinking that I'm just going to try to go ahead and pull it all the way out. Like this. I hope I ain't tearing nothing up, y'all. I really hope I'm not tearing nothing up. Okay. And with that, I guess I'm going to cut this. I hope I didn't break nothing. I'm cutting this string on the inside. Cutting that. Okay. Opening up my new one. This one here. Let's cut this. Yeah, I really hope I didn't tear up nothing. I don't know. I think I may have. I don't know. Nervous me. So this piece, I should have been directions. Okay. So You can see I pushed this out. This is too big. And that's too big. I need a smaller screwdriver. And I don't know if I have one. But I pushed this like down through there. Pop off the top cap. Tie a knot. Insert. Anyway, this is what we doing. I tied the knot. It's in there tight, I guess. I don't know what my dog back there doing. But I'm gonna cut this little end off. That's so I can put my other piece back on there. I'm cutting that so it looks uniform. And y'all, these scissors, I don't know, maybe I don't use them too much, but they getting damaged. Alright, and I'm gonna pop that back on there. Wait. Hope I'm popping it over. Maybe I need to pop it this way. Okay, it's back on there. Got our screen. And I went the wrong way. So I should go. I'm gonna go through here. I'm gonna go through here. And hopefully I can get it come. Yeah, but I made a crazy decision just now. Because why would I do that? Why? Why would I do that? It's not making sense. It ain't making sense to me. It ain't making sense to nobody. Okay, and I needed a lighter to light this in so that I could push it through this little tiny hole. But it's like a hole right here. And I needed to burn this. I don't have a lighter, but I do have my handy dandy matches. Why do I have matches? Because I'm a girl. Okay, so let's see what we could do. Oop. Put the lid back on these puppies. Break. Hopefully this works for me. I don't know. Maybe this thing is flame retarded. I don't know. I don't want to get burned. So now I'm just gonna mold it really thin. I guess make it sharp. And y'all, I just did the dumbest thing. All right, let's try it again. Oh. So now I'm just cutting it a little thinner, maybe to get a point or something going. Hopefully this works for me. I'm hot. Put that through there. And you're gonna push. Push with this. Nope. Alright, well, let's try it. No. Yeah, I think, I don't know. Let me try burning it again. Okay, so I got it through there. I'm gonna tie the end of this. Okay, and then it has to go back down in there. I don't know what I did when I was doing stuff, but y'all, I think I might have messed something up. I seen something that was... Okay. So I put this piece back on, and I got this in there. Got it rolled up. I don't want to leave this much out because of my dog, but it looks like it's gonna be out. So hopefully it kind of snatches it back up in there, but this is the motion that you want. And that way I know that I didn't break nothing. I'm glad about it. All right, so let's put this piece back on, and I'll come back to you guys once I have my lawnmower working. It did not work. So I'm guessing that I must have broke the thing inside, but that's okay. I have brand new parts that I'm gonna replace, and it has the screen already in there, so no more fix it Felix. Got my masker tool.